Good day. Thank you for calling RCB Central. My name is Rizal. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I need help with an issue on my recent bill.
I'm sorry to hear that. You're having an issue with your bill. Can you please describe the issue you're experiencing?
I noticed a charge of $50 that I don't recognize on my latest bill.
Thank you for bringing this to our attention. I'm here to help you resolve this. To better assist you, could you please provide me with your full name and account number?
My name is Ramsel Avila and my account number is 091234567.
Thank you, Ramsel Avila. I have your account detail in front of me. Can you please tell me the date and any other details associated with the $50 charge?
Charge appears on the bill dated July 15, 2024.
I appreciate that information. Please hold for a moment while I review your bill. Thank you for holding, Ramsel Avila. I see the $50 charge on your bill. This charge appears to be for the laborers who will do wiring in your house. Does this sound correct to you?
No, I didn't activate any additional services.
Thank you for clarifying that. I will need to investigate further to see why this charge was applied. Please hold for a brief moment. Thank you for your patience, Ramsel Avila. It looks like this charge was applied in error. I will remove the $50 charge from your bill, and you will see this adjustment on your next statement. Does this solution work for you?
Yes, that works for me. Thank you.
You're welcome. I apologize for the inconvenience this may have caused. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
Thank you for calling RCB Central, Rancel Abela. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us anytime. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.